Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can possess. Believe in yourself and watch the magic happen. Welcome to this guided meditation where you will embark on a journey to elevate your confidence. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and focus on your meditation. Remember to breathe deeply and let go of any tension as you go through the practice. Begin by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently, allowing yourself to settle into a state of deep relaxation. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air. As you exhale, release any stress or negativity you may be holding on to. With each breath, imagine yourself inhaling confidence and exhaling self-doubt. Imagine a warm and radiant light surrounding you, enveloping you in its comforting glow. This light represents your inner strength and unwavering belief in yourself. Feel its gentle warmth permeating every cell in your body, energizing and empowering you. Visualize yourself standing tall and proud in a place that brings you joy and inspiration. It could be a beautiful natural setting, a favorite room, or any other space where you feel completely at ease. Take a moment to observe the details of this place. The colors, sounds, and scents that surround you. As you soak in the atmosphere, become aware of your breath. Allow your breath to become slower and deeper, bringing a sense of calmness and relaxation to your entire being. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, release any lingering tension and self-doubt. With each breath, feel your confidence growing stronger and more vibrant. Bring to mind a recent achievement or success, no matter how small it may seem. Reflect on how it made you feel and the positive impact it had on your life. Allow that sense of accomplishment to fill your entire being, reminding you of your capabilities and the potential that lies within you. As you bask in this feeling of achievement, affirm to yourself, I am capable of great things. I believe in myself and my abilities. I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. I radiate confidence in all that I do. Reflecting on your successes can help shift your focus from self-doubt to self-confidence. Be mindful of your self-talk and replace self-criticism with self-compassion. Treat yourself as you would treat a friend who is going through a challenging time. Offer yourself words of encouragement and support. Imagine yourself confidently overcoming obstacles, achieving your goals, and handling difficult situations with grace and competence. Visualization can help you rewire your brain and create a positive mental image of yourself. Imagine stepping into a pool of shimmering water. This water is infused with the energy of self-assurance and positivity. As you immerse yourself, feel it purifying and energizing your mind, body, and spirit. Feel the energy of confidence pulsating through your entire being. With each moment spent in this pool, you become more confident, resilient, and empowered. Take a few moments to reflect on the unique qualities and strengths that make you who you are. Embrace them fully, acknowledging that they contribute to your confidence and worthiness. You are a unique and valuable individual, deserving of love, success, and happiness. In the stillness of this moment, set an intention to carry this elevated sense of confidence with you. Beyond this meditation, commit to nurturing and growing it in your daily life, knowing that you have the power to overcome challenges and reach your goals. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, allowing yourself to reorient to your surroundings. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed, revitalized, and filled with a renewed sense of confidence. Confidence is a journey, and it grows with practice and self-belief. Return to this meditation whenever you need a boost, knowing that you possess the inner strength to face any situation with confidence and grace. Thank you for meditating with us. Trust in yourself. Know that you are worthy of all the success and happiness that life has to offer.